Hello guys, in this video I am about to show you how to access the awards section in the Premier League application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are in there, you can see that you have 5 options to click to down below. You should click the second option, the PL. After doing that, so you should scroll down a little bit and you will see the awards section. Click on that. And basically you will redirect it to a page that acts kind of like a news section where every month has a player of the month, a manager of the month, and a goal of the month. And it will basically show you who is that player, who is that manager, and which was the player that scored the goal of the month. And basically this goes back to every month, you can see here. So it's rather like an interesting fact kind of a page that football fans really like. So I really hope this video was helpful, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.